Cats spend most of their time with their owners, but they actually need a house where they can rest and sleep alone. If you want to build a modern cat house for your feline friend, today we're here to show you some cool cat houses you have never seen before. Papercraft Cat House. Show them your creativity with this cute cat house made of box. Just spice it up with a funky design like this truck repair concept. Tiny Home. This is probably the cutest thing. A cat house designed like an old country-style house. Modern Cat House. This cat house looks like it's carefully planned by an architect and engineer. You can also relax on top of it as it also serves as fancy furniture for your home. Budget-friendly and eco-friendly. You don't need to buy the most expensive cat house. Save the nature and save your money with this cat house. Cat Sofa Bed. Relaxing on a beautiful sofa bed is not just for you. It is also important that our cat gets the best relaxation they could. Taj Mahal Cat House. You can go over the top if you wish. If you are extra artistic, give your cat a historical place to live, like this Taj Mahal made of carton. Thank you guys for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe.